Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can rotate your clips and adjust for the scale easily in CapCut PC. So for instance, I'm going to select this image and I'm going to rotate. So there are two options. You can rotate your clip. So first option, you can select this rotate icon. Just click on it to rotate clip. Yeah, and you can adjust for the scale. Just merge it like so. And for the um, second option, you can rotate with this rotation option in the position and size right here. So you can adjust uh, like this, and you can adjust for the scale again. Yes, that's it. So super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.